Hi there, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin, and today I'm here to discuss my June 2019 monthly craft kit. Now, I started these last year, and then the holidays and some other things got in the way, and I haven't been doing the first part of this year, but I wanted to bring them back with the new annual catalog. And let me say, I think I'm bringing it back with a bang. My kits are normally $25, and they still will be $25, but I had to go over just a tad to make sure I got everything in this kit for you guys. And so I know that it's summertime, and so I was trying to think what suite did I really want to start with out of the new catalog. And I mean, it's summertime, so why not the Sailing Home suite? And it's actually called Come Sail With Me suite, I think. It features this lovely stamp set. Everybody is just loving the stamp set, and this also can coordinate with the stamp set we already have in the catalog, the Lighthouse one. I can't think of the name off of it top of my head, but in the catalog on page 145, or actually sorry, 144, it gives you, there's tons of ideas on here with different cards and stuff featuring this suite, and then over here you have all the items that comes with the suite, and it also has the stamp set and the dies come as a bundle, so you can get 10% off. But then on this side, it actually shows the stamp set. Isn't that gorgeous? And if you'll see where it looks like this, it's white around the image, that means that there's a die cut that goes with these images or coordinates with something else. So like this coordinates with the 1.5 inch circle punch, but there's dies in for all these rest of these images. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you what is coming in this month's kit. So the first thing let me just kind of go over the rules a little bit, kind of what it is. Now, normally I will post these at the first of the month, like on the first of the month, but with the new catalog coming out and I couldn't get everything beforehand, I had to wait for my order. So I got this yesterday, and so now I was able to put it all together. So I know today is the 8th. And normally I take reservations to the 15th, and then I'll invoice you, I think it's like on the 20th of the month, or no, on the 17th of the month, and then the payment's due by the 20th of the month. That's how it's normally going to work, okay? So first of the month I post, you have until the 15th to reserve. I bill you on the 17th. You have until the 20th to pay, or you can pay sooner if you'd like to. You just let me know. And then I order it. Once I get it back from Stampin' Up, as long as there's nothing on back order, then I will mail out. It usually takes about a week, about 2 weeks between the ordering, getting it here, and shipping it back out to you guys. So that's kind of, but since, like I said, I didn't get these till yesterday. It was the 8th. I'm going to give y'all till the 20th of the month to reserve it. I'll bill you guys on the 20th. Then you have until the 23rd to pay it. And the reason why is because on the 24th, which is a Monday, I would like to place the order with Stampin' Up that morning and try to get this back as quickly as possible. If I may try to do like a 2-day service turnaround. If I can do that, and then I can mail them out the 28th of the month or no later than the 2nd of July. And get them mailed out and get them to you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and see what we're going to be getting. So again, it's based off this lovely suite. Here's the stamp set, and here are the dies. And there's some extra dies that, let me just pull these out, show you. So you've got this like little seaweed die. Here, and you got this label that you'll see here in a minute. And this rope die. I've used this one. And then you got like a little compass. The 2 sailboats. Well, here's the 2 compasses. This little piece here, and then of course, every ship needs the steering wheel thing. I don't know what that's called. And then of course another piece of rope. So that comes with that, and then also comes with this amazing High Seas 3D embossing folder. Now, see how this looks? It actually looks like that when you emboss it. I've actually included an embossed piece. So this is really nice. And you can just open it up and put your cardstock in there and run it through your die cutting machine. So that's a great piece. All right, so here we go. I want to show you before we get started. Here's a sample of one of the cards, my little piece right here. I got to fix that. um, is I've just used some of the DSP on here, some of the cardstock. Here's the little ship, or the not ship, what is that, sailboat. And then I love this little sentiment, set in sail the direction of your dreams. I mean, that's just amazing. And you know what? My dreams is just to have a happy, healthy family, get to travel a little bit, and just create. I just love to create. And then, of course, I included, I don't know what this is called. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know. What is that called? A ship's wheel? Is that what it is? I know it's not a steering wheel. Is it? There may be a technical term for that. So here's a sample of one of the cards that you'll be getting. Now, in the kit, to remind you guys, you'll also be getting, with the items in here, you'll be getting a project sheet with 4 projects. It'll be cards, maybe a 3D project, just depends. I know with this one, there will be a 3D project. I can tell you that right now. Those designs are exclusive to the participants that participate in purchasing this kit. I am going to show you one of the designs only because I want to kind of show you, my style of cards and what I can do with this. And again, I used the dimensionals to hold this and it's not, so I'll have to fix that. But I'll fix that and get it ready for a better picture for the project sheet. But I just like how that is. A very simple card for a man. Now, what this suite for me does is says male cards, just male. That's what, but you know what? Don't forget, you can make one of these for a lady too. I have my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. They love to go to the lake every weekend up on their boat. They spend all weekend up there. They just, I mean, it is amazing. The time they spend, I just love it. I'm like, oh, I just wish I could do it with you, but I have other things I have to do. And then they go to the beach all the time. They love the water. Their boat, one of the colors is Night of Navy. Believe it or not, it is the same color as Night of Navy. So it's part of this. And I could definitely make a birthday card out of this for her. She would absolutely love it. All right, so that's one of the projects. So here's some of the things you're going to be getting. First thing you're going to be getting is some ribbon. You're going to get 4 different kind of ribbon types. You're going to get the new sail away, what is this called? Baker's twine, Night of Navy and Sahara sand. You're getting 5 yards of this one. You're getting a yard of the flax ribbon, the linen thread, and the solid Baker's twine in Whisper White. And I've included it on a little tag that is using our new, what is this called? Delightful Tag Topper Punch. So it's using this punch. So I've included that. You guys can, I did not tape these to the paper, so you could actually take these off and use this tag punch for a project, either with this kit or something else. Now, I know you guys are probably asking, does the stamp set come a part of this kit? No. The only thing that comes in part of this kit is what you see right here. The stamp set, the die, and the embossing folder, though, can be purchased through my online store. And I'll have a link down below for that. But yeah, just this product comes with it, because I want to give you the option to just getting the stamp set if you want, or just getting, or you may not want the embossing folder. You know, it depends on what you're wanting. And I will say, if you buy the stamp set and the dies, you can buy it as a bundle, and it comes 10% off. So that's a good deal to go with this lovely kit. All right, so let's get back. So we get the little ribbons. Then you're also going to get an ink spot with Night of Navy ink. I try to include some kind of coloring in there. I think I've done pretty well so far. It's either blends. I don't think I've ever done blends. I've done a marker because they had, in one of the catalogs, they had like a duo marker. So I got to include that one year. And then I've tried to do ink spots. So this one time we're only getting 1, which is Night of Navy. Then you're also getting some die cuts that I've ran through the machine. You're getting some of the rhinestones. The, what is that? I'm trying to think of the name off of the top of my head, and I can't. Because I wanted another set of stones that went this, but I didn't have it. So we put the clear in there. You can take your blends and, you know, color those and make them Night of Navy, or you can make them Mossy Meadow or Pear Pizzazz, whatever color you want to coordinate with this. Also, you hear that? That is these new little sail away trinkets. and you actually get 4 of them. So you get, whoops, 2 of the anchors and 2 of these little ship wheels. Are those not cute? Oh my gosh, I really love these. I love this one, especially this anchor. That'd be great for some Bible verses. So you get 3 of those. Oh no, 4 of those, I'm sorry. And then some other things to make some cards, and then some additional things to create on your own. Make something that you may want to make. And I've also included, I put a band around this package. Oh, I forgot to tell you, look at that embossing folder. Now this is the back of it, so you can't see it as well, but it's still a great folder. Let me see if I can show you in there. Can you see that right in there? I think that was really gorgeous. So this is a 4 by 5 1/4 piece to put on your card if you'd like. Also, I will be including, as always, 5 envelopes for your cards, a sheet of dimensionals, and then this time I will be including a pizza box and 4 3 by 3 cards that will actually fit in the pizza box, because one of your 3D projects may include this, may not. Can't give it all away. Gotta leave some surprises for you. Okay, and then as normal, what I also include, put this aside, is the DSP from that suite. You'll be getting 6 sheets of this, which is basic, and it's 2-sided. So you get this one, this one, this I love this DSP. The lines, I mean, it's just gorgeous. Let me put this one over here. Then you got this one here with the lighthouses, this one with the sailboats, some stripes, and then that looks like seaweed to me underneath the sea, and then these stripes. Love that. Then you also get 9 pieces of cardstock this time. You're getting Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Soft Suede, the Vellum cardstock, Black, Basic Black, Balmy Blue, Pear Pizzazz, Very Vanilla, and Whisper White. I put Very Vanilla and Whisper White because I don't know if you can see, but this would work great with either one of these base colors or even the black. So that's why I gave you 3 base colors this time. And then, the reason why I went a little over on the kit this month for my purposes is I'm giving you half of the Memories and More kit. So you're going to get half of the kit. There are die cuts that go within the kit. You're going to get a share of the die cuts. Now they are different, so you'll get different ones. But you're going to get these lovely cards. I just love, look, Happy Father's Day. Now this won't be in there in time, I know, for Father's Day, but you can always use this for next year. You'll have it in your stash to use for next year. These cards are also great for scrapbooking purposes. So if you go out on the boat or you have pictures of your father and you want to scrapbook it, you can use this. This would be great for that, for this year. So you got all these, oh look, you know, this is you, me, and the sea. See, that would be my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law. And then you got the sailboat. You've got some cards already. I mean, this would be great on a card itself. You could put a sentiment in there, pop it up, and you've got part of a card. Okay, and then you've got, of course, these larger sheets here. And look at some of these die cuts that are already rent. These are intricate. Is that not gorgeous? So you've got that, and you've got the little sea. And then, what is life but a grand adventure? You've got all these. And then these come with actual sticker sheets, too. So you've got these stickers you can use. And, you know, wait for sentiments and just to put on your card. And then, of course, you've got some of these little pieces down here. Great, again, for your scrapbook. But you can also use them for your planner. If you want to make a planner a week or a month of layout for, you know, with the sailboat theme, this would be perfect. These 2 pieces would be perfect. And this, too, for your planner. Or if you have a traveler's notebook, things like that, that would be great for. Including the ribbon, and your die cuts would also work well on that. Okay, and also, now what's not pictured in here, because it doesn't come till Monday, but I didn't want to wait to film this, is you will be getting a share of the Memories and More envelopes and card pack, which basically you're going to be getting 1 each, 1 large, 1 small, and then 1 coordinating envelope. I want to do that to show you that you can make cards using these. Now, the larger piece, yes, that would be a larger card. But I made these at Christmas time with the Santa Workshop Memories and Card Pack. They make great Christmas cards. So it doesn't always have to be the same size. You can make different size cards. And the envelopes are perfect for these. So you'll also be getting to share that. Okay, guys. So, again, this kit is $25. That pays for, the shipping and handling is already included in that. And so you don't have to worry about, you just you just click on the link down below. It says reserve, and I'll invoice you for $25. And then that'll take care of your kit. Okay? All right, so if you guys have any questions, of course, let me know. Leave a comment down below, or you can email me or contact me on Facebook through my Facebook page, Ladybug Stampin'. And if you have an idea out of the catalog that you would like to see as a kit, let me know. I already have the next 3 kits planned and ready to go. So, but doesn't mean I can't change it up to see if, what popular demand might want. And, because I'm flexible like that. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for always supporting me and my channel. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And I'd love just to hear from you. Okay? All right. Well, thanks, guys. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.